Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. Guys, there is so much happening in a cruise world, and I'm going to give you all the update you need to know about the cruise world. So watch this video till the end because there is so many update about different brands of cruise ships. So I don't want to waste more time, and I want to begin with this video. So what I say, let's start this video. Well, guys, the first update which is coming from the Holland America. Holland America is going to restart sailing in USA, Alaska, and the ship name is Holland America New Amsterdam, and it is already started from 24th of July 2021. Well, guys, the second update which is coming from the Royal Caribbean. The ship name is Serenade, which becomes the first larger ship to enter in Alaska, Juneau. Now you must be wondering, what is Juneau? Juneau is a city in Alaska which is very beautiful, believe me, guys. Now the Serenade of the Sea already started sailing in Alaska on 23rd of July 2021. But the thing which we need to know, which is bothering me, there is only 650 passenger and 800 crew member, which is very less, believe me, guys, because Serenade is a huge ship. Well, guys, the third update which is coming from the Disney Cruises. Now Disney Cruises already started sailing in United Kingdom. The ship name is Disney Magic, but in USA also they're going to start very soon. The date is confirmed, 9th of August 2021. They're going to start their sailing season from this date in USA. Well, guys, the fourth and the final update which is coming from the Princess Cruise. As you all know that Princess Cruises was the first company which got impacted by this virus, and the ship name was Diamond Princess. Now the Princess Cruises is also going to start sailing, and the ship name is Majestic Princess, and they're going to start their season from 25th of July 2021. Well, guys, this was the update coming from the cruise world. I will keep updating you about cruise ship and cruise ship life. So stay tuned with Cruising with Goldy. So bye then, bye from Cruising with Goldy.